Yo, what's up, everyone? It's V8. It's going to be part 2 of the IAC valve. So we're going to see if it fixed the idle issue. Test though. See what happens when we roll it out and drive. Signing out. Idle air control valve. Been idling funny for over a year. I cleaned the old one and it kind of temporarily fixed it, but when I pulled it out, you could tell that thing was sticking out way too far and it wasn't getting an accurate reading. That's why they would just, the idle would shoot up from like where it is now to 1500, and you'd have to turn the engine off, start it again, or just wait for it to go down by itself. Now it's good. I'm happy with it. It's V8 signing out. Peace to everyone. Happy holidays. Stay happy, healthy, positive, and paid. That's how we're doing it over here. Peace to all the real ones.